Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your rights and what your account allows. Check whether you're on a free plan that automatically adds a watermark. Upgrading typically removes it, which is why this matters. Once done, review the license so you know what commercial use permits. Make sure you have the final media assets ready, audio, images, and export settings, because preparing these saves time after you change plans and prevents accidental re-exports with a watermark. You now perform the key legitimate action: upgrade or buy the appropriate Flicki plan that removes the watermark. Choose the tier matching your needs, apply any promotional code, and confirm the payment method. This is the proper way to remove branding because it grants the platform license to produce watermark-free files for you. Once your account reflects the new plan, log out and back in, or refresh the project so the export pipeline recognizes the entitlement before you generate the final file. Finally, export the project at the resolution and format you need. You should receive a file without a watermark now that the account is licensed. If a watermark still appears, make sure to refresh the session. Clear your browser cache, re-login, and re-export. If that fails, contact Flicki support with your project ID and purchase receipt so they can resolve entitlement issues. This approach avoids risky workarounds and keeps your content compliant and supported.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.